Hi, this is the Tempo Doctor, and before you watch this video, I want to make sure you watch my video on why tempo mapping matters. It will help you to understand all future videos from here on out, since I will be posting many of them. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe so you can receive notifications on videos posted. Today I have Home Sweet Home loaded into Studio One. This is the original song and it has a variable tempo, which means it fluctuates. In order to add a click track to this song, it must be manually tempo mapped, otherwise it won't follow. Trying to make a set tempo match this song just doesn't work. Once you have the tempo map, you load it into your digital audio workstation, which is as simple as dragging and dropping it into the tempo field. From there, you import your original song into your session and line them up. You could add a specific type of click track tone if you like, and you can also use this as a backbone to create your own backing tracks. If you are interested in this tempo map, please click the link in the description. Okay, that is it for this video, and I will be back with another one soon.